Let's go ahead and turn on dark mode on this phone. Go into the settings, scroll down till you get to display and brightness, tap on that, and then tap on dark. And now we're in dark mode. You can have this also happen automatically. So when the phone detects that it's daytime or nighttime, or based on whatever schedule you want here, you can have it be on dark mode or light mode automatically. If you want dark mode permanently, just turn off automatic, put this to dark, and now we're in dark mode. But these apps are not in dark mode. That's because there's an additional customization. So if we tap and hold anywhere on the home screen, and then tap on edit, once that appears, and then tap on customize, we see we have here a dark option for our icons. And now we're in truly dark mode. You can also tap on this little sunshine here, and that makes it even lighter or darker. You see a slight change in brightness there. So you can have it be even darker if you want. And there's another mode that goes way beyond this that I call midnight mode. In the settings, you can still see things like the shine around the icons, and it's still kind of bright. Midnight mode makes that completely dark. This video shows you how to do that, and it's perfect for night owls. People look at the screens at nighttime. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.